Hey, do you like bananas? Do you like rum? Do you like shakes? How about a big, bad, boozy banana shake? Oh, this thing will satisfy all those things. It's just, there's the rum in there, there's the banana, a couple other ingredients. Let's go in the kitchen and see what those are, and let's make this right now. Now, to make our big, bad, boozy banana shake, well, first of all, we have bananas. So there are 3 bananas there, just broken up into some smaller pieces. I like to get the bananas as ripe as possible. Unfortunately, this time they're not that ripe, really. They're good, but the riper they are, they start getting brown, the more flavor you're going to get. You get stronger banana flavor in your shake. What we have here is a cup of ice cream, or like say about 5 scoops like this. 1.5 cups of milk, 3/4 of a cup of heavy cream at 35% or so. Optional, 1 egg. Optional. You do not have to use this if you're in a country where you don't feel that you can use raw eggs. Don't need to use it. It just adds that little extra badness to our big bad boozy shake. And the booze, yeah, what we have here is 1/3 of a cup of rum, and I'm using a light rum, but if you want even more rum flavor, you want a heavier rum flavor, use a dark rum like Myers, that's fine. 1 tablespoon of honey, just kind of brings the flavor out of those bananas. 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder and 1/4 teaspoon of ground cardamom. That also really zips up the flavor in there. So, first thing we want to do is we want to get the bananas into our blender. And I'm not going to throw everything in yet, but we're going to throw some of the milk in there. And what we want to do is just kind of puree those bananas first. I'm going to put about half the milk in there. Throw the lid on. And then we're just going to do that until those bananas are nice and pureed, so we don't end up with big chunks in there. All right, gone for about a half a minute on that. We just got it's like a pudding. Banana pudding in there right now. It's great. So now we can add in the rest of the ingredients. So we're going to add in the rest of the milk. We're going to add in this cream. Let's put that honey in there. This time I'm using a clover honey. So a lighter honey, but you can use 8 different types of honeys in here. Sometimes I use my stronger, the darker honeys. Really depends on the flavor you want. And then I'm going to throw in the cinnamon and the cardamom. We're going to toss in the ice cream, the rum. Now I'm going to leave the egg for a second because, like I say, not everybody wants egg. That's so fine. Now let's just do that up. All right, gone for about another 20 seconds to half a minute on that. Just everything is nice and smooth. We've chopped up the ice cream now. And now, this is what I say, it's optional. We like banana. We like banana. That's a funny looking banana. We like egg in our house. So just gonna toss that egg in there. That just kind of gives it an extra richness. I learned this from years ago from eating or drinking. Drinking. From drinking Orange Julius's back when I lived in Canada. This is like 30 years ago or so. They used to, you could ask for an egg to be put into your Orange Julius and was just richened it up. So ever since I've been using egg in my shakes. All right, just long enough to beat up the egg. And now, big. Yeah. Let's put that in there. Oh yeah. Now, you could go for a straw with this and be very genteel about it, but in honor of California, which has just banned straws, we're gonna do this without a straw. Just grab it and, oh yeah, that's a big, bad, boozy banana shake. Enjoy this. Now, if you go to the link appearing on the screen, you can get the free printable recipe for Big Bad Boozy Banana Shake on our website. Also, make sure you go to our Patreon feed at patreon.com/Kuma's Kitchen, where you can watch all kinds of kitchen tech, info about ingredients, things about Japan, life in Japan, all kinds of interesting videos that load up there in that feed. All right, so now go print out the recipe. Go have fun making and drinking this. And make cooking fun again with Kuma's Kitchen.